Welcome back to my channel. It's Chidi, my favor. If it's the first time I've coming across my channel, thank you so much. To my returning subscribers, I love you. We're going to make this beautiful gown you can see on the screen. I want to show us how to get the front bodies. Let's go. This is a crepe fabric and this is a vintage fabric. Okay, so we're going to use it to recreate the design you can see on your screen. You need your tape, you need your chalk, and of course you need your ruler. Okay, so you also need your curve ruler for the armhole. So without wasting much of our time, let's go to the video. First, I'm going to cut the back and the front together, which is the upper part. Okay, now you're going to determine how long you want this plain material, how long you want it. Then you take your shoulder measurement, in case if you did not take your across back. After that, you determine how long you want the sleeve to be. Okay, it's all your choice. Alright, just determine how long you want your sleeve to be. That's all. Then for the neck width of this clothes, I'm using a canoe neck. You can use any type of neck you want. Okay, you use any type of neck you want. Like I said, first take your shoulder, then you go ahead and take how many inches you want for your sleeve. Now for the neck, determine how wide you want your canoe neck to be or C neck, depending on the kind of neck you want to use. Okay, thank you so much to my returning subscribers. If it's the first time of coming across my channel, you're welcome to the family. Please subscribe, follow us, follow my YouTube and my Facebook. Alright, for the neck depth, both for the front and back, I'm using 1 inches. Now for the armhole, just use what you want. Here I'm basically drawing the kind of a free gown, just a very free gown. Okay, you can use 3 inches allowance, 4 inches allowance, depending on how big you want it to be, but don't use 2 and don't use 1.5 because it's not going to give you the effect you're looking for. Now determine how long you want the gown to be, where you want this upper part to stop. Okay, where you want the upper part to stop. After that, just go ahead and cut it. There's nothing much to it. Just go ahead and cut it out. If you are still watching up to this moment, please give this video a thumbs up, like and share. Okay, share, like and share. Become part of the family. After that, you're going to introduce this vintage material for the down parts. Now when placing it, make sure you have at least half an inch that you use for sewing them together. Okay, you need half an inch. Then you know what you have on the upper part, go ahead and measure how long you want the gown to be. Determine how long you want the gown to be. Okay, that's the main thing. Just take your full measurements. Okay, then after that you basically go and just cut the same thing you have cut out for the upper side. Okay, just go ahead and cut it out, open it up and place it right side facing right side, this way, the way you see me doing it. Right side facing right side. Go ahead and sew. Do the same for both the front and the back, then we'll come back. Okay, after sewing it, I had to fold it in and top stitch it just to have it looking out very, very neat. And go ahead and iron. The greatest enemy of tailors these days is Nigerian NEPA. It's not being funny. Okay, then here I marked 8 to 9 inches for the loop. You know, this cloth has a loop at the front, like you saw on the screen. It has a rope, so I use, if you're on a plus size, 8 inches is okay. If you're on a very slim side, I'll suggest you use 6. 6 is fine. Or use whatever works for you, but 6 for a slim person is okay. Plus size, 8 is okay. 8 to 9 is very much okay. Then that line you had, go and slice it open. This is what we have here. After opening it up, you're going to match the clothes together. Right side facing right side. Okay, right side facing right side. Then you go ahead and sew it with at least 1 inch. Sew it 1 inch because you will still fold it to put your loop. Okay, fold it with 1 inch or 0.75, whichever one works for you. Do that for the both side and go and sew. All right, this is we're going to use this as a rope to pass it. You're going to pass it through the holes we've made. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Please, if you don't understand, kindly put it on the comment section. I will answer your questions. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments, okay, share the video. All right, what I did here, I've made a casing for the loop to pass through. All right, that's exactly what I did. I just made the roping for the case to pass through. I'll go ahead and pass it through those holes that I've made. Each of the side we have 2. All right, so just go ahead and pass it through. After passing it through, this is exactly what we are going to have. You see the way it is. I've turned my neck area, you can see that. Then I've gone ahead to top stitch it so it won't pull out. Now look at the down part. Okay, you can see how it's looking. The purpose for this video is just to show us how to put it together. If this video is in any way helpful, please leave your comment, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for all my returning subscribers. Thank you for all your efforts. Thank you for your like. Thank you for your share. Thank you for everything. Okay, at the end of the day, you measure the length of your client. Please measure the length of your client so that the clothes will not end up being too short on your client. Right, measure, then you adjust it as you measure. After that, you go and join both the front and the back together. That's basically it. It's not something too difficult. Okay, thank you so much. I can't stop thanking you for all your likes, for all your shares. All right, I'll see you in our next story. Bye.